Yes, today marks indeed a very grim date. It's 1 month since the horrific attacks on mainly civilians in Israel and the abduction of 240 reportedly mainly civilians. Nothing justifies the horrific attacks by Hamas and other armed groups on the 7th of October that targeted Israeli civilians mainly, and nothing justifies this. But it's also 1 month since the start of hostilities, the siege and the attacks on Gaza and the Palestinians in the occupied Palestinian territories. Nothing justifies the horror being endured by the civilians in Gaza. People in Gaza are dying in their thousands, and those alive are suffering from trauma, disease, lack of food and water. The level of death and suffering is hard to fathom. Over 1,400 people have reportedly died in Israel, and just over 11,000 have now been reported dead in Gaza. That's 0.5% of the population of Gaza. An average of about 160 children are killed every day. WHO has so far delivered 8 truckloads of supplies. Much of this is urgently needed material, including anesthesia, as people are being operated on for amputations and other things without anesthesia. Everything is set up. The logistics are there, the convoys are there, the supplies are there. What is not there is the access, and that's what is needed. We need unhindered, safe, and secure access all the way to the patients and to the hospitals. Getting across into Gaza is one thing. Getting further to the hospitals and the supply stations is the next step. Again, I think the figure is pretty astonishing. 500 trucks have been going in so far in 4 weeks, and we need, as has been reported, 500 a day.